Hey guys, welcome to Kalbarri.
We're here for 3 days and it's the last stop on our road trip. We've just checked into our hotel at Kalbarri. Let's give you the tour. It's a huge apartment we've got here. So we've got a full kitchen going on. And then in here we've got the bathroom, which is nice and big. And then we finally have an ironing board, which we've not had for a long time. And then there's one bed there, little bed there, sofa with a telly, some chairs for dining there, and then a nice little outdoor balcony. And there's also a pool here, so we can check that out. And yeah, we're just gonna go and have an explore now, get unpacked, get ironing our clothes.
Lots of people have got some cool setups around here where we've been travelling on our travels. This might be my favourite one so far. He's got a whole wooden shed with solar panels on the back of his 4-wheel drive army ute looking truck. I'm very jealous.
Some serious camping game. Just came to Minara Lookout for a little hike. That's the view already from the car park. So I'm going to follow that path up there and see where it goes.
We've just got back to the hotel after our run, and look who shows up. Frighten the life out of us. It's another barbecue. We're down at the beachfront, even though you can't see it, here in Kalbarri. Some sauté chicken skewers, some Pelican, going away some wraps. Leaves here reading whilst we've got the tunes on from a mini disco that's going on behind.
Good morning, it's our first morning in Kalbarri.
We're going to do something really exciting. We're going to go and watch the pelicans being fed, a little bit like the dolphins in Monkey Mia.
So stick around and we'll show you what's happening.
An immense pleasure out of these birds, and also you guys make it different every day, so great that you've all come. So okay, she's very lucky. She's going to be a well-fed bird if we get some here today, but he may come in. He came in late yesterday and bad luck, there was no fish left.
Just finished up at the pelican feeds. It's really cute. There was only one pelican that came in though today. She said yesterday that there was like 5 and then the day before there was like 10. So a bit of a shame that there was only one, but at least we got to see it.
And the kids got to go, they got to throw the fish into their mouths, as you saw.
Some of them didn't have as much of a good shot as the others though. Landed on the floor and the seagulls got a few of them.
But now we're in Kalbarri National Park. We're going to Nature's Window.
Yeah.
Then we're going to head to the skywalk afterwards, so we're just taking in some of the lovely views.
just finished up at Nature's Window, which was absolutely lovely.
And now we're going to go on the skywalk that you can see behind us and have a look what we can see from there.
So we went out and the winds picked up. We left our swimwear on the edge of the balcony to dry off, but obviously it's really windy now. And Louis has his shorts down there. So he wants to do a bit of parkour to try and get them back. Hopefully he doesn't break his neck.
Check if you sleep, safety first.
What a little monkey.
It's cooking at the barbecue. And there's a kangaroo outside of our hotel. Just having a little munch on the grass. Tonight's barbecue spot. We have some pork medallions and some sauce. We've also got some halloumi and we're just going to throw them in a few wraps. Then we've got a lovely little spot down here on the beachfront. The town just over to the right there. Just missed the sunset.
Good morning, it's the last day of our road trip now. We're going to head back onto Perth.
We're just checking out of our hotel now. We're going to go and watch pelicans feed and hopefully head to the Pink Lake. But first we're just having a little look at some of the residents here. They've just come in to the grass this morning. I think there's 4 or 5 of them.
On our way back from Kalbarri to Perth, we decided to stop off at Hutt's Pink Lagoon, and it's just a big pink salt lake and it's beautiful. So we spent some time there just checking out the views, soaking in the scenery.
Oh, city view. Wow.
We've just got to Perth and checked into our hotel.
We're just getting ready and then we're going to head out for some dinner. So we'll show you the view out of our window because it's pretty cool. Beautiful view of the city.